Just feeling a bit blah today. Nature usually helps lift my spirits. So taking you on a walk with me, I'm a little almost paranoid that I'm going to, like, I don't know, step into some like trap or something, you know, get hung from the tree like in those movies, ow, as I just trip over a stick. Or I'm going to encounter something. Usually I'm not doing this alone. I usually have my trusty dusty adventure buddy with me, but that's how we grow, learning, trying new things. So I definitely would love to see some animals, but a little nervous to come across anything big. I don't have any sort of protection with me. I'm not gonna go far, but I don't know, seems a little scary. We'll see what we see. Seems sturdy enough. Let's give it a go. All right, we made it. It's like having an eye in the sky. Yeah, so I made it up here. I'm pretty sure this is a deer stand, right? That's what people do up here. It's pretty cool. First find of the day, and really close to the house. We haven't even made it far yet. Oh, this is what I was waiting for. The sun came out to play. In Florida, our leaves never change color or drop, so this bit is really exciting to me. I did download my maps though. Did you know you can do that on Google Maps? You can download when you're on Wi-Fi. Whoa, we got caught. When you're on Wi-Fi, you can download huge sections of Google Maps so that if you run out of service, you can still see everything. You can see all the water, all of the little trails. We do that every single time we go hiking, just in case. And it looks like we found deer stand number 2. This one looks like it has not been used in a little bit of time. Mother Nature just tried to tie me up in this vine of thorns here, but little did she know, I am wearing 2 pairs of pants. As funny as it sounds, this leaf hanging off a tree reminded me to take a second to pause. A second to really sit and digest this forest bathing. To hear the birds, watch the leaves fall off the trees, just observe for a second. We run around a lot so fast. We need to make time to pause and reflect. And what is this? I suddenly feel like I should be wearing camo. Hopefully I don't get shot. Thank you, Mama Earth. How I needed your embrace today. Thank you, Mama Earth. Thank you, Mother Nature, for always being there and connecting me back to Source. And as my camera battery is about to die, it's forcing me to be fully present and aware for the rest of my walk. So thank you for joining me. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video. It was my first time, so it might be a little rough, but it was fun.